And another inputs coming in this hour. The Rouse Avenue Court has granted the CBI additional time to file the annexures to the charge sheet in the NEET undergraduate paper leak case. The charge sheet, running into approximately 20,000 pages, was filed against all 13 arrested accused before the specially designated fast-track court. The court noted that a list of documents, statements and material items had already been attached to the charge sheet, even as the CBI sought more time to complete the formal annexures. The case involves 360 witnesses, 422 documents and 43 material objects cited as evidence by the investigating agency. What all has transpired, Sambhav, in the Rouse Avenue court today? The CBI, filing this charge sheet. Give us more details of it. Meanwhile, reportedly, they've been given more time for their investigation.
Absolutely. What transpired inside the courtroom, the details are the matter was before the fast track court, special CBI special judge, the fast track court judge Anu Grover. The matter was before the special judge, and the fast track court has granted 3 more days to the Central Bureau of Investigation to file details, because see, as what the CBI counsel has informed this fast track court is that this is a voluminous charge sheet which require, and it is being scanned, and that is why it needs, the CBI counsel has said that it needs some time, and hence the court has granted 3 more days. And the crucial hearing in this case is put for August 3rd. So 3rd of August is going to be crucial in this, where it is to be seen when the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, the special fast track court, is going to take cognizance of this particular charge sheet. And what court has pointed out, I just want to share that the court pointed out that there is no statement or list of documents filed with the charge sheet, and then CBI has sought time and submitted that all documents will be filed within 3 days. So within 3 days, all documents will be filed, and August 3 is going to be the crucial date. And remember, August 3 is the date when 2 bail petitions will be heard. Because remember, when the matter first reached yesterday before the this special fast track court of Anu Grover.
Yes. Stay with us. Stay with us. More breaking news coming in. The next hearing in the NEET undergraduate paper leak case at the Rouse Avenue Court has been scheduled for the 3rd of August. The CBI is expected to file the remaining annexures to the charge sheet before the next date of hearing. So the CBI has been given time to file the annexures before the next hearing. Next hearing set for August 3rd, Sambhav?
Well, absolutely, it's going to be crucial. And what is important here is that the 2,000-page big charge sheet filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and CBI has informed that all 13 accused in this case are in jail, that is in judicial custody, and CBI has filed this charge sheet against these 13 accused. And I mean, officially it cannot be said till the time court will not take the cognizance of the charge sheet as to what exactly is the nitty-gritty of the charge sheet, what exactly is the what exactly are the details of the charge sheet. However, as per CBI sources, over 400 witnesses were examined. Many searches were conducted across the country, and remember when the matter was before another bench of another judge of the Rouse Avenue Court, what CBI has said is important. CBI has said that around 500 crore loss to the exchequer in this re-examination process. Now, this is also important. However, this would be mentioned in the charge sheet. It's likely, but officially it can only be said once the CBI, once this fast track court takes cognizance, and it's likely that the fast track court is going to take cognizance of this particular 20,000 pages charge sheet, having many annexures, which CBI will submit before the fast track court in coming 3 days. Now, it is likely that on next date of hearing, the special fast track court is going to take the cognizance of this particular charge sheet filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. And yes, as you rightly pointed out, around 360 witnesses, 422 documents, 43 material objects in this charge sheet, and all 13 accused are in jail.
Okay.
And now,
okay.